Our next stop coming up is Tomorrowland. Please remain seated at all times. Keep all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. If you have little ones, make sure they're seated on your lap. If not, they should be seated towards the center of the bench, away from the open areas on the sides. We're currently holding on a red light right now. That just means the train in front of us hasn't quite cleared out of the next station. As soon as we get our green light, we'll be able to continue on. So please remain seated at all times. That light can change at any moment. Thank you. Alright, we got our green light. Please make sure you remain seated at all times. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Thanks for joining us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain. We're now steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star speeders, submarines and astroblasters, and, if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail, and us, are the fun-filled roadways of the Autopia. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astroblasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks, and have fun in the future. For the rest of you, just sit tight. We'll be on our way again in just a minute.
That is a clear stop with monorail, which will take you to the downtown district and Disneyland to our hotels. Plus your stop for our service mountain and Star Tours. Please remain seated till the train comes to a full complete stop. For those of you continuing on, make sure you move all the way down to the bench. Make space for guests on board the train, please. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. More videos are coming. Please subscribe and ring that notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think. Plus, here's some videos just recently and a video just for you. See you later.
Calico Mountain back in 1882.